12:25. No, 4. Still 12:24. I'm getting ahead of myself. It's almost 12:25. Coming up on 12:25 here. Small storm chance today and a couple showers around. Not looking for big widespread rain, but if you've been outside, you can see the clouds building up, and you saw radar earlier. There are a couple showers and some maybe weak thunderstorms trying to develop around the area, but getting hot. I think you'll really notice the heat being turned up a good bit. If you think it's hot now, it's going to be much hotter. We could be around record heat and maybe some heat advisories by this weekend, as a lot of the valley could be up around 100 degrees or hotter, even in some of the places that don't usually hit 100 very often, like in the parts of the lower valley, like around Brownsville, San Benito, Los Fresnos. You could see temperatures hit 100 later this week. Right now, the First Warn 5 Doppler network just beginning to get a little active with some showers around. It appears to be a little bit of a boundary drifting in from the northwest and kind of firing some showers up along it. So if you kind of imagine a line about right here in the northern edge of the valley, that's drifting its way south a little bit. But from that line south and east of there is where the showers are able to pop up. And the heaviest one is still tracking, moving eastward right along through about Alamo now, along I-2 and just to the north. Some of the heavier rain here coming down, heavy for maybe like a whole 15 or 20 minutes, and that's about it, and then it moves on. But the heaviest rain coming through Alamo will be approaching Donna soon. This moving to the east at roughly about 20 miles per hour. And then we go a little bit farther off to the north, and the little scattered showers are moving eastward across Willacy County. Nothing heavy there, but heavy briefly, but nothing long lasting. And then a couple of showers within the last 15 minutes popping up kind of near Bayview and Los Fresnos area and over toward the Laguna Madre. So you may see a couple showers near Port Isabel and South Padre Island, or if you're going to be headed out on the waters early this afternoon. But I think the best chance of rain this afternoon, then it kind of dies off again this evening. And after that, it may not be much left the next couple of days. All the rain that was nearby us yesterday, remember how we were looking at all the rain? It was like right here offshore, and it all went up to the north. And now some heavy rain still in the Houston area. Still some flood warnings just southwest of Houston in these counties headed just down toward the coastal bend, and also flood watches around all the Houston area and the surrounding counties. And so with very heavy rain in the Houston area, this is moving its way slowly eastward. Future track here does show some scattered showers this afternoon, maybe a couple of thunderstorms. Tries to show a heavier burst of a thunderstorm in the lower valley before about 5 or 6 p.m. But spotty showers and storms around the rest of this afternoon, then quieter tonight. I think tonight will be a mainly dry night after sunset, and then tomorrow, dry initially. It's kind of tricky tomorrow. We'll show you maybe an outlook coming up later this hour. There could be some bigger storms just here and there scattered across South Texas tomorrow. I think most of them will be north of the valley, so we'll have to wait and see. But Future Track has practically no rain tomorrow, and I think no rain is most likely, but there might be some storms north of the valley, and if a couple are able to hold together, you might see one come in tomorrow evening. But I think that is the long shot approach to it. I think most of the rain will stay to the north and will end up dry and hotter tomorrow. And then Friday, too, a lot of sunshine around could mean some hot temperatures. Like I said, we could be going up. Here are a couple cities I plotted on there. You see McAllen in red on the top, Harlingen in orange, and Brownsville in yellow. Highs tomorrow up close to 100 or hotter, 98 in Brownsville. But notice how a lot of places could be around 100 or hotter on Friday. And even look at Saturday, showing 107 the forecast in McAllen and 103 in Harlingen, 101 in Brownsville. Saturday looks very hot, and then you factor in the humidity, could be feeling closer to about 115 or 120 with the humidity. So, yeah, it's going to be one of those weekends you want to find a way to stay cool, especially Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. 90 in Weslaco right now, 92 in Port Isabel. And this afternoon, temperatures back in the 90s again. There could be a few showers and storms around the area to help cool you off, but I think most areas will be dry later this afternoon, especially in Starr County in the Upper Valley where that little boundary's already come through. First Warn 5 AccuWeather 7-day forecast, 90s today, a couple of showers and storms scattered around, and then tomorrow even less. But there's that small chance that one could form late in the evening, so kind of watch for that. But highs near 100 tomorrow, 104 for an average on Friday and Saturday. Some of the models say Saturday could even be a little hotter on average across the valley, so watch out. Again, very hot weekend, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, and probably Monday. There appears to be a weak cold front in the area that will come through and might just be able to limp through here on Tuesday with a couple of degrees drop in the temperature. So we'll keep watching for that in your First Warn 5 forecast here on Channel 5 News at noon.